A faulty update from cybersecurity company CrowdStrike caused widespread crashes of Windows systems around the world. This impacted businesses, organizations, and even critical services like hospital and emergency services. Okay, so here's what happened. Cause a buggy update to CrowdStrike's Falcon endpoint protection software caused this issue. What was the impact? System crashed with blue screen of death, which is also called BSOD, rendering them unstable. And this led to outages at businesses, airports, hospitals, and other organizations. What is the current status? So CrowdStrike has identified the issue and stopped the faulty update from rolling out further. However, machine already affected and need to be manually repaired. What is the solution when your computer is stuck in reboot loop or blue screen? So what you need to do is you need to boot your system into safe mode or Windows recovery environment. You can do this by pressing F8 on your computer before it completely load, and then you will have option to go in the safe mode. Depending on your computer model, this can be different. So once you open your computer in safe mode properly, you need to go to this path. Usually it will be C/Windows/system32/drivers/CrowdStrike. This is a folder for CrowdStrike. And in this directory, locate the file name 0000291*.sys. You can see this file on the screen and just delete this file. And now restart your computer normally. And now you need to wait for the next update from CrowdStrike. They already know about this issue and very soon they will update release to this thing. I hope this helped you out. Please don't forget to like the video and share with somebody who is facing the same issue with CrowdStrike.